Ningbo Xiesheng Lighting Industry Company Limited was founded in 1946, starting with metal hardware accessories. After half a century of accumulation and transformation, it focused on the lighting product field in 2003. Now, it has developed into a comprehensive, high-tech manufacturing enterprise, integrating R&D, production, sales, and service. Here, a group of senior engineers who have been deeply engaged in the industry for more than 18 years are gathered, covering all technical fields of the whole chain, such as electronics, structure, mold, light source, and process design, especially in core categories such as work lights and camping lights. Relying on profound technical accumulation and continuous innovation, we have deeply integrated durability, energy saving, and intelligence. We have realized the closed-loop capability of accurate response to customer needs, plus customize the output of technical solutions, and can flexibly provide full process OEM solutions. We conduct in-depth research and exploration of user needs in various uses scenarios, combine theory with practice, and take great pains to carry out practical tests and inspections to continuously strengthen the upgrading of product performance and categories. For this reason, Xiesheng invests a lot of resources in technological innovation and R&D every year. With its excellent technical strength, it has obtained 156 technical patents in China, Germany, the United States, and other countries, and has been awarded the Ningbo Patent Protection Demonstration Enterprise. Nowadays, the company boasts 2 global production bases in Ningbo and Cambodia, equipped with 20,000 cubic meter modern production facility. It has more than 150 high-precision CNC machine tools and 15 professional injection molding machines. By introducing high-end, fully intelligent automated equipment, we have successfully built a full-process intelligent manufacturing system, from precision processing of core cabinets to efficient assembly of finished products. At the same time, the company has a professional laboratory to strictly control the product performance testing link to ensure excellent quality. With these comprehensive strengths, integrating large-scale production, intelligent manufacturing, and rigorous quality control, the company's products are sold in many countries and regions around the world. Looking forward to the future, Xiesheng Lighting will lay a technical highlight in the outdoor lighting industry with its hardcore R&D strength and strive to become an industry leader. The company attaches great importance to the construction of corporate culture, upholds the people-oriented concept, and adheres to the mission of making outdoor travel better and enabling all employees to achieve both material and spiritual happiness. The badly recruits capable people, makes good use of core talents, attaches importance to employee training, and takes cohesion of people's hearts as the orientation to build a team that moves in step. At the same time, it participates in charity through the Red Cross Society, booming a corporate culture characterized by humanistic care, talent growth, and the cohesion of people's hearts, which contributes to its long-term development. For more than 70 years, Xiesheng Lighting has always adhered to quality and driven development with innovation, winning the trust of global customers. In the future, Ningbo Xiesheng Lighting Industry Company Limited looks forward to working with global partners to jointly explore a new future of outdoor lighting with better products and services.